this channel. It's your girl Queen J Nicole, and I'm back with another video. I'm just in a little traffic right now on my way to the house. I just finished working for the day, and I was like, let me record a video. Like, I really need to upload a video. So I was thinking, like, what can I do? And I'm about to go home and get my man stuff ready for work, get my daughter's stuff ready for school tomorrow, and cook some food for tonight and stuff. So I guess I'll just show y'all my little nighttime routine, I guess. What I do on work days and school nights and stuff like that. So I just wanted to come and introduce the video, let y'all know what's up, because say hey to y'all, say what's up to y'all, because I don't know how much I'm gonna be talking throughout the video, but best believe it's gonna be a good video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming to see me. I'm so happy to see you, and y'all. I don't even know what I'm saying no more, y'all. I'm just excited to be filming. And so yeah, I'm literally almost to the house. I'm about to exit right now, but it's just a little traffic right here, so I'm getting there slowly but surely. So yeah, I gotta go clean up the room, because the room is a disaster, y'all. If you have kids, if you have toddlers, you know they can tear down the house. So I gotta go clean up, I gotta go cook some food, and that's really it. I already washed his uniform, and baby girl clothes already picked out for the week, so she just gotta pick which outfits that she wanna wear, honestly. Other than that, I'm finna have me a little chill night. I wish I had some wine, but it's okay. We still finna relax, kick back, and have a good little night. So thank you for coming with me, like I said. And yeah, see y'all. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Hey y'all, so Bay is still asleep because he worked overnight, so he's getting ready for work. And I'm about to clean the room and stuff before I take a shower, because I don't like taking a shower then cleaning up, because I feel like I'm dirty again. So I just wanted to show y'all this disaster, and I want to show y'all what I got going on in the kitchen while I'm cleaning the room and taking a shower. So let's go. So I have my chicken soaking in some vinegar water, and I have this broccoli just thawing out in some water boiling, or trying to get to a boil for my pasta. And yeah, so y'all see this mess? I'm just about to clean this all up, and yeah, I'll be back at y'all when I'm done cleaning up and done taking the shower, because your girl feel dirty. Okay. My train of thought, but I'm about to boil my pasta. And take a shower. So I'm about to go stir my pasta, and I'm gonna show y'all this hair tea that I made yesterday that I'm about to put on my hair when I get out the shower. Hold on. So this is the hair tea that I made. It's just rosemary and cloves, and you're supposed to strain it, but I think I'm gonna just leave mine in here. So I'm gonna just drench my hair in this after I finish washing it in the shower. Actually, I'm probably not gonna wash it today. I'm gonna just rinse it good and then give it a good spritz with this. I'm gonna see y'all when I'm out. Okay, y'all, I just got out the shower, so now I'm about to spritz my hair, really soak it with my hair tea, and yeah, let's get in. I'm really trying to focus on the roots because this mixture is supposed to be good for growth. So I'm trying to stimulate my scalp with it and also get it on my strands too because it makes my hair really soft. I need one of those spray bottles you just hold down because this is a lot. Okay, now that my hair is soaked in this mixture, I'm gonna give my roots a little like massage and let it air dry. Let me show y'all how long my hair is because this is a growth journey, so I'm trying to keep track of the length. And this is wet hair, so yeah, I'm just gonna remove some of the excess moisture because I don't want to really rock this towel. And yeah, that's it with that. Now I need to go finish the food and get that stuff done and stuff like that. So, and I'm gonna take this nail polish remover off either today or tomorrow because I keep pushing it off. Honestly, I keep pushing it off. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all probably when I'm trying to finish the food. So right now I'm gonna add some butter, some cheese, some milk to my pasta. They dried out because I had to let them sit there, but they're gonna be fine, y'all. Don't worry about them. Don't worry about them. And then I'm cooking me up some chicken and some bacon and combine those together, and y'all gonna get to see when I'm done. So I know I didn't get a chance to finish the video yesterday, but the pasta was busting. When I say busting, it's like not even enough for me to get some more. Like maybe the baby can get some, but we was tearing that pasta up. So yeah, that was good. My hair, after I did the little hair tea spray, soak or whatever, it just feels a little softer. You know, I'm just trying to be consistent with it so I can see the results for real. But yeah, I'm just taking me a walk right now because I ain't really feel like working out today. I haven't worked out all week, if I'm being real with y'all. So I decided to just get a little active if I ain't gonna do nothing else. And I'm just walking and getting me some sun, thinking about all the things that I have gratitude for. So I want to encourage y'all to think about what you're grateful for, the things you love about yourself and your life, and maybe even write it down, you know, maybe share it with somebody. But yeah, that's the type of time that I'm on right now. So I'm just gonna finish enjoying my walk and pray y'all to have an amazing day. And hopefully this little journal entry that I'm suggesting makes you reflect on yourself and, you know, just makes you feel good about yourself and your life and stuff like that. Help you not focus on the negative so much. I know it's a lot going on right now in life in general, but just try to focus on the positive things. And anytime you're struggling to focus on the positivity, just think about all the things you're grateful for and all the things and the people that you love, okay? So y'all have a good day. I love y'all so much. See y'all in the next one.